Hey everyone, I'm Ian Biz Phillips. This is my LS3 powered 350Z and welcome to episode 1 of Back to Business. Whilst I'm waiting for Dave and Ed to come and join me here at the workshop, I'd like to give you a little walk around the LSZ. There's been a lot of preparation work done over the last few nights, rubbing down the chip marks on the cage and also getting rid of some of the old paintwork that we weren't happy with in the previous times, getting ready for the new paint job to happen on Friday and Saturday this weekend. Yeah, I can stick it right in your face. Hey everyone, this is Ed. He's the fiberglassing guru who's been having a damn good go at the new...
I've break stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is the new lightened fiberglass boot lid that we've got. This I think actually comes in at about quarter of the weight of the original. So this is part 1 of many that is going to be taking the weight out of the 350Z, which is definitely needed for this season. And also we've got a new rear bumper, which is actually the original bumper that came with the car. As you can see, Ed has been definitely working his magic on this one as well, taking out a lot of the dints and dents and stuff that had happened, but also more importantly we've cut the bottom half of it off, so then I won't get caught by Kev Wilson for constantly ripping off the rear bumper of my car. So yeah, thanks for that one, Ed.
What are you up to there, Biz?
Rubber-dub-dub-dub!
Crazy guy.
As most of you can tell by what I'm wearing here right now, it's pretty damn cold. I think it's about -2, -3. Let's go and find out where the rest of the boys are hiding. Oh, so here are the boys. Nice little heater here. Definitely making themselves a nice little home. I have to admit, I think I'll get the kettle on now and keep myself warm as well. So we're now in Ed's natural habitat with the flexible big boy filler and a very small maggot's worth of hardener in there. Hopefully at this -2 degrees centigrade that we're working in at the moment. Yeah, it'll probably go off sometime during the middle of the season, maybe when we're at Teesside.
Here we have a genius at work. Rub-a-dub-dub!
I think this Rick and Morty thing is catching. So when you ask your mates to help you with your car, this is the kind of crap you have to put up with. I tell you, Dave, yeah, you hide, mate, you hide. So it's the end of the night here at Sash Hardware. It's Thursday night, getting ready for the interior paint job tomorrow. Getting really hyped now, starting to see the car starting to take shape. Got the new plastic arches put onto the fiberglass over fenders. Got the KBD instructable body kit here. Definitely going to be putting the name of that thing to the test this season. Also you can see in the background here the fiberglass doors, saving us in total around 50 to 55 kilograms of weight. So really hyped about getting this car back on the track. Hey guys, it's Friday night here at Sash Hardware and we've reached a bit of a milestone because tonight we're going to be painting the interior of the car. Dave is currently still at work out front at Sash. So Ed and I are going to mask up the rest of the car to make sure we don't get any overspray, and then we'll get ready as soon as Dave is out. So this is the paint we're going to be using. It's the same purple as we had on the car before. It's from a Honda motorbike called Reddish Blue, but to you or me, I guess it's purple. Before in the interior of the car, as you can see, we had it as grey and purple, but I really love this car, and to cover up some of this awful brake fluid leakage and some of the other rusty parts here where the paint wasn't lacquered before. We're going to go all purple this time. So this is Dave getting a little bit of technique practice in before we get off with the big main thing tonight. Blowing clean air. So a lot of you have already met Smiley Ed, who's the fiberglass man, but the other part of the story at the moment is Mr. Harper, who's currently hurling away. There he is. Got his new minigun here. A few of you might know Dave from some of his modelling exploits in the past, so yeah, a little cutaway. But yeah, Dave very kindly stepped himself forward for painting the LSZ. Once you can see his SIL 80, I think you'll understand why. At the moment it's tucked away because we don't want to get any more purple overspray on it, but yeah, that'll be something that we'll show you later on. Cannot wait to see the outcome, my man. Well, that's it, the primer's on. We're now going to give it about 45 minutes to an hour for the primer to set. Then it's going to be out with the metallic purple. Just can't believe how crazy the car looks with a light interior like this. Been so used to it having that kind of dark grey, dark purple interior. But I have to admit, can't wait to see that metallic purple go on there and start glinting in the sun. Well, if you can't tell by my eyes, it's 4 AM here at Sash Hardware. I think we're pretty much done with the inside now, and I think you'll agree that the purple was definitely the right way to go. I think it looks pretty amazing, and I can't wait to get in it myself and have a drive with it this colour. Also turns out that we may have possibly gone into Dave Harper's birthday, so sterling work from Dave. Thank you very much. Happy birthday to you, sir.
Thank you.
I'm sure there are many people that would much prefer to spend their birthday in a lot better ways than doing this. But yeah, that's all from us tonight, and catch you tomorrow.